Welcome to Sam and Mia, where we have fun with craft and stories. In today's episode, Sam misses talking to his friend Billy from next door, so he and Mia learn a new way to talk with their friends by making a cup phone. Keep watching to find out why it's so important to keep in touch with our friends.
Teddy, what should we do today? Should we play Lego or do some drawing, or maybe we can play on the iPad? Sam, who are you talking to? Oh, I'm talking to Teddy. Oh, I wanted to play with Billy next door, but I'm not allowed. Yeah, I'm sorry, Sam. It would be fun to play with Billy, but we have to make sure we practice social distancing. Yeah, I mean, Billy's just next door though, and I can't play with him. It's just not fair.
We can't play or talk to our friends face to face at the moment, but we still need to show them that we care and stay in touch with them. We need to be faithful. The Bible says, "A friend loves at all times." That means we need to talk to our friends and be faithful, not just when things are going well, but all the time. Sometimes we just need to do it a little bit differently. Maybe we talk to them by phoning them up, or by writing them a letter, or even by a video call.
Hey Sam, yeah, I think you may still be able to play with Billy after all. Really? Yes. Have you ever heard of a cup phone? A cup phone? Is it like an iPhone? No, not really. It's from the olden days, like when Grandpa was little. We can make one and talk to Billy next door.
That's a great idea, Mia. Let's make a cup phone together. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any fun with Sam and Mia. How to make a cup phone. Step 1 is to collect your materials. You will need a pen, 2 cups, 2 paper clips and a piece of string. Step 2 is to put a hole in each cup using the pen. Turn the cup over and get an adult to help you. Hold the pen near the bottom and then carefully poke a hole in the middle of the cup. Do the same thing with the other cup. Step 3 is to thread the string through each cup and attach a paper clip to secure it. Like this. Thread the string carefully through the cup. Turn it over. It's a little tricky, so if you need help, just ask a grown-up. Put the paper clip through like this. Make sure you've got enough string so that it's easy to tie in 2 knots. Nice and tight. Here we go. 1, and then next one. Here we go. 2, and finally pull it through gently like that, and you've got 1 cup done. Here's the next one. Poke it through carefully. It can be a little bit tricky, so if you need some help, don't worry, just ask a grown-up. There we go. Get the other paper clip, thread that through. We're going to be able to tie this one into 2 knots as well and secure it just as well as we did the first one. Here's 1 knot and a second knot. We'll pull it back through. Step 4 is to decorate your cup phone. This is an optional step. You might like to decorate the existing pattern by colouring it in and making it really special looking, or maybe you'd like to stick some stickers on. Here I'm just putting some purple around on one of these stripes, these zigzag stripes, to make it look even more exciting. This is going to be a fantastic addition to my cup phone. And then maybe I'll use this lovely blue marker on the other cup. Go around as well. Here we go. Maybe you've got some more ideas about how to decorate your cup phone. Could be some glitter, or maybe sticking some nice shapes of paper onto your cup phone. And here we go. We have 2 nicely decorated cups and we're ready to go. Step 5 is to use your cup phone with a friend. When you're doing this, you need to make sure your cup phone is nice and tight. That means the string is taut and it will look like this. That's going to allow the sound to travel through vibrations along the string between both cups. Well done! Now you know how to make a cup phone.
This is so great! I'm going to go and call Billy right now. Billy! 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 Sam, make sure you use the cup phone.
Now you can make a cup phone in your house.
Thanks for watching and make sure you hit subscribe.